Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily delete a plugin on your WordPress website. So you need to be in a dashboard, and let's just add a new plugin here. And I'm going to install this Akismet anti-spam, okay? Now when we have it, just click like activate, whatever. Nice. And then let's go back to plugins. And I'm gonna see here Akismet anti-spam. So what I will do is that I will just click here deactivate, and after I click deactivate, there will appear this button called delete, Akismet anti-spam delete plugin. And what you want to do, we just click here on delete. Okay. Now when you got it, you successfully deleted your plugin on your WordPress website, and that's it. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.